So hey guys, check out the PDF tutorial in the description box. So you need calf length socks, scissors, chalk, and some underwear. And the first thing you're going to do is line up your underwear with your socks, and then you're going to put your socks on top of your underwear, and then you can stretch them a bit just to make sure that they will create the leg holes that will fit you. And then fold the sock at the ankle. I'm just making sure they line up, and the top line will be to cut your waistband and the other one will be to cut your leg holes. So with chalk, I'm going to show you here's where I'm going to cut the line, and that's the 2-finger space I'm leaving for the width of my waistband. You can make it as narrow or as wide as you want to. So I'm just cutting off the top to form the waistband, and then I'm going to cut off the bottom line along it to cut the leg hole. And remember the 2-finger space that I left between the two lines, so that my waistband is 2 fingers wide, and that's the crotch. You've already formed your thong. How easy is that? And to make the waistband wide, I'm just flipping the thong to the back and I'm cutting off a bit of fabric. You can do this after you've tried them on to make sure you don't cut off too much fabric. And you can use the top of the sock to form a scrunchie. Just cut off the scrap fabric and you'll be left with a scrunchie. The next method will be detailing how to use ankle socks to form your thong. So you need scissors, sock, and chalk, and I'm just marking 4 inches above the sock to show how tall I want the triangle for my thong to be. And then I'm folding the sock in such a way that the ankle bit is facing the back. Then I'm cutting through the hole I marked, and then I'm cutting the side to form one of my leg holes and the side to form the other leg holes, so the sock forms the crotch. And I'm slicing through the hole to form the waistband and just trimming that a bit, and slicing through to form the other waistband, and voila, your second thong is ready. So that's the leg holes, and that's the waistband. I want to make it wider, so I'm cutting off a bit more through the triangle, and that's the back and that's the front, and it's done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the PDF tutorial in the description box and comment. Bye.